Hello everybody, welcome to Trading for All Audiences. Got a fun announcement for everybody today. We are just a quick review of where we are in the market. So, quick review. We are down big. Not as big as yesterday. Just a review yesterday. Another 1,600 point day after Tuesday. After Friday. 1,400 point day. Couple of rough ones in here, guys. 28,150 is your level to watch. Actually, let's move this chartreuse line up right there. I'm gonna check out that little bit of volume here. That's at the end of the day yesterday. All right, so 28,314 to 28,227 is huge range down at the bottom. So thanks for joining us in For All Audiences. I hope that you are green today. I have not traded today. This brings us to our big announcement. It doesn't need not that big of an announcement, but I have made the decision, the personal choice, not financial advice. I am taking a break, stepping away from the market. I cannot withstand, my bankroll cannot withstand 1,600 point days, you guys. If you can, congratulations to you, but I am tired of pumping money into the prop firms. I love prop firms. I will trade again on prop firms. I hope to someday appear on the streams of prop firms. I love you guys, but my bankroll can no longer support my blowing of evals and funded accounts. Case in point, last account yesterday, which passed, FundedFutures family, fucking blew it immediately, instant blown. I'm just not in a good place with the volatility and where my head is at. I don't think I'm going to be very successful in this market. So I will continue streaming. Stream might change a little bit as we go here. As a matter of fact, this might be a good time to announce a news show on this same channel For All Audiences. It's an umbrella brand. We can do a lot with it. Trading For All Audiences will be changing. Let's go ahead and get this. Take that off. And let's make a new logo. All right, now let's see if opening Photoshop melts my computer while we're trying to stream and look at TradingView. I can take away TradingView if that becomes an issue. And okay, here we go. We're in. Now, can I show you guys what I'm doing over here? Let's see. Okay, OBS, let's add a... Heyo, there we are. Hello, Photoshop. Not photoshopping my P&L today, guys. You know what? We can go ahead and here. Let's actually. We're gonna back up a little bit. Back up. Turn this on. Let's go ahead and save. Ooh. Nope. I mean that's fine, but I didn't want that to happen. There it is. Okay. Notice there is no trading screen today because we are not trading today. Brutal day, brutal week, brutal month. I am done. I'm not playing anymore. Fuck this shit, I say. So, let's make a new layout, and this is going to be design layout. This is gonna be fun, you guys. Where did I go? Get all these in here. it is. Hi, everybody. You haven't heard me this whole time. Welcome to AI for all audiences. You got to watch me make a logo not using AI. We will be using AI in the future because, as I just said, which you couldn't hear, when the market's crashing, do we cower in fear? A little bit, but we also generate. We get creative. Get the fuck out of this. This is not a good place to be trading unless you're a mega short whale. I want nothing to do with this crashy market. This is way too much for me. Let's go check out the 1 minute. This is just case in point. So I guess you missed my big announcement then. Okay. Another drum roll I did already. Big announcement. This is no longer a trading stream. This is a AI stream. That's the nutshell. I will be back to trading someday. It's not today, it's not tomorrow, it's not this week. All of my accounts have been blown, as is tradition, and I will not be re-upping because I'm tired of sending my money to the prop firms. I love prop firms, but I gave all my money to you guys. I made $50K from prop firms last year, and I have given it back. It is not the best. My head is not in the best psychological headspace. Case in point, yesterday, passed a FundedFutures family, my last eval, passed it, FundedFutures family velocity account, got it activated, immediately blew it. Boom, immediately. I took like 3 minis. What the fuck was I thinking? And that just goes to show I've got some psychological stuff with money, with trading, with dopamine that I need to do a little bit of thoughtful work on. I'm gonna do some therapy. I'm gonna do a little bit of introspection. I'm gonna see what comes up. So this stream now will become a daily AI stream where we get to do fun AI stuff together. For example, we're gonna get into Photoshop. We're gonna make some shit. We're gonna generate some cool stuff. We're gonna look at some of my favorite things from my Twitter, and we're gonna try and remake them because your boy is applying for jobs that include generative AI. At least so I say on my resume. Therefore, we must start building a little bit of the AI that I claim to already know about. So we'll do some learning, we'll do some creative stuff. We'll watch the market still, but I will not be engaging with the market in a dollars and cents sense for at least a week. I'm gonna wait till contract rollover next Friday, like maybe take the next 10 days. Kind of my approach right here. Trying to get my my psychology right for maybe post 4th of July run up. Wouldn't be surprised if we saw markets at an all-time high right around 4th of July. So maybe I'll come back in last week of June, see what's what. But either way, I'll be here. I'll be offering you my analysis on the market, you know, such as it is. But you won't get to get your vicarious thrills from me blowing accounts on stream anymore. Pulling the plug on that for right now. That's out of self-defense. I'm not going to waste any more of my dwindling savings on more stupid fucking evaluations when my head is not right. I have like a 50 to 60% pass rate on evals, and I have like a 0% payout rate, a 2% payout rate on all of the accounts. I've blown like 15 funded accounts this month. This is just, it's out of hand, so I'm out. So join me in the future here on For All Audiences YouTube channel. We're going to be getting into some AI stuff. We're gonna be getting deep into it. We're gonna get our elbows deep. We're gonna reach all the way in and we're gonna pull out some cool stuff. So like I said, we're going on YouTube and Twitter. We're gonna find some of my best AI generated stuff, the stuff that I really enjoy, want to showcase, and we're gonna make it ourselves because I am applying to jobs and I claim I can do this. So we'll find out if I can live on stream. Hopefully none of those job applications are watching me. Until then, hope you guys have a good rest of your day. I love you, and I will see you tomorrow. Watch out for this market. Stay away. Bad shit happening. All right.